Hello my friends, bonjour mes amis. I hope that you are doing well. J'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui, je vous présente, I introduce to you another website, French website, which is called La Poste. La Poste. What is La Poste? La Poste is the French post office. French post office. So you know, when you go to La Poste, you have to queue a lot. It's not easy. You know, La Poste used to be belong to the government, so it was a public company. And since it was a public company, quite often the quality was never so much there. Huh? You know, it was limited in quality. Now it's private, but and they need to make money, and it's still the same. Like you have to queue a lot if you go there. You will see in France, you can be queuing. You go there at the wrong time, at lunchtime, because you're working the rest of the time. You want to get some mail or send some letters. You have to wait for a long time. So I suggest you to go online. Just do it online. So this is the website online. Voilà, donc nous sommes La Poste. Qu'est-ce qu'on peut dire? Envoyer. Suivre un envoi. Tous nos produits, nouveaux services. So what do we need? You know, the first thing is envoyer. Envoyer. So we go to envoyer. Envoyer un courrier means send a mail. Envoyer un colis means send a package. Calculer et estimer. How much does it cost? Localiser un bureau de poste. Where can I find a post office next to where I live? Donc, we will check. Envoyer un courrier. Envoyer une lettre. Alors, you can... De chez soi. From home. So you can print a stamp. Let's see. Print a stamp. So I need to send a letter. So I need a stamp. How can I print a stamp? Imprimer et gagner du temps. Imprimer vos timbres de chez vous en couleur ou en noir et blanc. So you can print your stamp. Imprimer vos... voilà. Donc, imprimer. Choisissez votre visuel, sélectionnez votre support, paiement sécurisé, imprimez vos mains. You see, it's quite easy. Imprimez vos timbres. So first you have to select, choisissez le visuel. So what kind of stamp do you want? I don't like this one, I want this one. Oh, I want this one. I want this one. Okay, so you select. Okay, let's say this. Étape suivante. Then you select le support d'impression. Bon, ok. Votre planche d'impression. Nombre et taille des étiquettes. So you can select the size. You can select very small or very big. Bon. Okay. How many stamps do you want per, you know, like, you see, this is a wallpaper. This is a wallpaper. Une planche 24, you know. So this is a wallpaper and it will print for you. So, okay. And if you want the stamps to be even smaller, or you bigger stamp or smaller stamp, you can select, you know, I think the good size, what would be good, 24 stamp, okay. Then you have the price, okay, 24. Okay, okay, what else do you have? Sur envelope. So let's say I want to print directly on the envelope. So you have to see what kind of envelope you have. Okay, most envelope is this one, C5, C6. Okay. Okay, and then after you will just pay. You will just pay. Étape suivante. Sur enveloppe, sur 10 mots. We don't have this. It's for the people who are... Okay. And then after you pay. You know, it's something that you need to know how to pay. So that's quite okay. Okay, ajouter au panier, how to pay. You can pay with PayPal, Visa. Okay. Okay. So that's one thing that you can do. Envoyer, very important. Envoyer un colis. If you do not care, honestly, for me, I do not care. I have some time. I would rather go outside in the street, take a walk, and queue. Even I have to wait for 30 minutes, I will go there and queue, you know. But if you care, just do this, you know. Something that you can do is also order the things. So you can also buy in the supermarket. So you can directly buy the envelope with the stamp on it, and that's okay. It's all prepared. There is nothing that you have to do. Something important for you is the different type of letters. Donc, envoyer un colis is the same. Commander, bon, les colis, voilà. Colissimo is the colis. Un colis, one package that's very good in France is the package that is, they will give you the special fee, is cheaper if you want to send only books. But this, they will not show it on the website, so when you go there, you can ask, oh, this is the package, but I only want for the books. Okay, emballage pré-colissimo, they don't show it here. Retrouver. Calculer et estimer. Comparateur grille tarifaire. Estimer le délai de livraison. Hein. So let's see how much does it cost to send the letter. Hein. Ok, découvrir les tarifs 2019. Donc, principaux tarifs en France métropolitaine. Hein, en Guadeloupe. So, ouais. So here is interesting. You have different type of letters. Mon timbre moi. To create some stamp. Okay. One thing that you need to know is recommendé. Le recommandé is more expensive. I think here might be more expensive if you print. No, it's okay. 20 grams 0. If you send to France for a letter 0.85. But depending on the weight, you know, so you need to know if your letter is heavy. 100 grams, 250 grams, 500 grams, 3 kilo, then it will be more expensive, so you need to put more stamps on it. And of course, if you send far away, like zone Outre-mer, so it's outside of France, it will be more expensive. And that's even farther away, so you need to have an idea. Okay. It's quite interesting, you see, there's depending on the where you go. What else? You have also, lettre recommandée en ligne. Lettre recommandée is very important. Okay, lettre recommandée means you have the legal proof. You have the legal proof that you send the letter, and when the people receive the letter, he has to sign. So the lettre recommandée is very important. For instance, you can send this to you. You want to stop working at this company, you send lettre recommandée. Someone, you have an apartment, but the people who rent didn't pay you the rent. Lettre recommandée. You know, you need lettre recommandée. Very important. Okay, les tarifs. Okay. What else do you know? I don't know what else they have. Les cartes. Some people they like to, you know, the post office. La poste. It's a way where you have many people. They will be collector. They will look at. Oh, I love the stamps. I will keep the stamps. In fact, all French people have this. Even I have my stamps that I had as a kid. You know, for instance, this one that I was given. You know. Okay, so. Someone offered me this. That's how they made money traditionally, you know. So here you have the stamps, and the book, and they show you. You see, so it's like collection. For a very long time, people used to love this. For a very long time, people used to love this, but now nobody cares. You know, people don't collect this so much. So, okay, un timbre et étiquette, un stamp. Beau timbre, beautiful stamps. Enveloppe préaffranchie, so this is the envelope that's already done. Carte, people sometimes they want to have the card. Card is useful for the new year. Many people they will just buy the card from UNICEF. So it means you're doing something good, you're helping the kids in need, and at the same time you send the best wishes to your friends. You know. Carte UNICEF. What else? Do you have? Ok, carte UNICEF, bon. Carte UNICEF, I don't know what else do they have. Tous nos produits, hein. I don't know why it couldn't come back. Voilà, un déménagement absence. So that's something important also. If you are going on holidays and you need to have to give the authorization to someone to pick up your mail for you, or you can ask the post office to keep your mails for you, and you can do everything online. So this is important if you are not there. Absence, faire suivre temporairement, souscrire un abonnement pour garder son courrier en bureau de poste. So I want them to keep my mails inside the post office. Okay, so you can, but of course you have to pay. I think you have to pay if you want them to. You want them to keep 21 euro, and they will keep the things between 1 to 2 months. Okay. So they will keep it for you. Ok, hein, bon, what else? What other products that they have? Donc voilà, déménagement. If you're moving outside, you're changing moving place. Okay. Philatélie. This is all the people who collect the stamps. Nouveau service. So they are the new things. Nouveau service. Veiller sur mes parents. This is all new because they need some money. So I'm not sure about this. Passer le code de la route. You can pass the driving license now at La Poste. Colissimo pass. I'm not sure what it is. Let's have a look. Et veiller sur mes parents is very strange. I don't know it. Profiter de la livraison illimitée, c'est régime marchand. So livraison illimitée. Well, so yeah, they will deliver you unlimited with all kind of shops. I'm not sure exactly. Yeah, free delivery. So let's say you have the shops and you, yeah, you can buy online and you can get delivered for free. That's something new. I never seen it before. All the other new things that they have, nouveaux services. Veiller sur mes parents, means take care of my parents. In fact, they really need money, so they try to find ways to make money because now, before they were never making good money. You know. Je veille sur mes parents. So I don't know what it is. Formule visite régulière du facteur. So it means you pay, and the postman will come once a week, and to check if your parents are doing well. Maybe the parents are very old, and you want the postman to make sure that they're still alive. And this, the postman comes once a week, and of course they tell you that your parents are okay, and they offer you some kind of newspaper, and they will check téléassistance. I'm not sure what is téléassistance. But this is very new. This is very new. It's kind of clever. You know why they did this? Because traditionally, the old people, the only contact that they have is with the postman. You know. Donc, yeah, téléassistance means the old people can give a phone call to the postman or can give a phone call to some guy and discuss. You know. Okay, téléassistance. Okay. Okay, and nouveau service. Okay, what else? What's the last one that I wanted to check? Is what is Familéo. So they give you some kind of newspaper. I'm not sure it's the factor. No, Sophie. Or you can check yourself.
Habiter à des centaines de kilomètres de chez maman, ce n'est pas évident. Alors quand j'ai entendu parler de veiller sur mes parents, je n'ai pas hésité. Je parle pourtant à maman tous les jours au téléphone, mais de savoir que quelqu'un passe la voir, c'est très différent. Je sais que si elle a le moindre besoin, j'en serai informée. Et avec le centre de téléassistance, s'il y a le moindre problème, j'en serai informée aussi. Et ça, c'est vraiment rassurant.
So, okay, whatever. That's it's kind of clever. And okay, and these are the different brands that work together with La Poste. You know, you have Chronopost, it can send the mail much faster. Colissimo, it means send the package. DPD, delivery the package all over Europe. Pickup. Pickup is you have the place where you can pick up the mails. Okay, well, let me leave you for now. You know, the things that you need to remember, that's the most important, is here. If you don't have time, you cannot go to the post office. Okay, you can send the mail here. And remember, lettre recommandée is very important. You have the legal proof and the normal lettre en ligne. Bon, à bientôt les amis. Au revoir.